Welcome back to Skincare Treat. We are devoted to providing you with quality and relevant tips on skincare and women health. If you are new here, kindly subscribe and turn on your notification to see our next videos. Vaginal yeast infections are very common. They affect millions of women around the world each year, causing discomfort and concern. They are caused by an overgrowth of yeast in the vagina. This yeast, known as Candida, is normally present in small amounts in the vagina, but certain conditions can cause it to multiply rapidly. This yeast is called Candida. Candida is a type of fungus that thrives in warm, moist environments, making the vagina an ideal place for it to grow when the balance of bacteria and yeast is disrupted. Most women will experience a yeast infection at some point in their lives. Factors such as antibiotics, hormonal changes, and a weakened immune system can increase the risk of developing an infection. It's important to remember that yeast infections are treatable and manageable. With proper care and treatment, symptoms can be alleviated quickly, allowing you to return to your normal activities. Yeast infections are not usually serious, but they can be uncomfortable. Symptoms often include itching, burning, and a thick white discharge that resembles cottage cheese. They can cause itching, burning, and discharge. These symptoms can be distressing and may interfere with daily activities, making it important to seek treatment promptly. Luckily, there are things you can do to treat and prevent them. Over-the-counter antifungal medications are widely available and can be effective in treating mild to moderate infections. Understanding your body and recognizing the signs of a yeast infection can help you seek timely treatment and feel better faster. Educating yourself about the causes and symptoms can empower you to take control of your health. If you're unsure about your symptoms, it's always best to consult with your doctor. A healthcare professional can provide a proper diagnosis and recommend the most effective treatment options for your specific situation. Additionally, maintaining a healthy lifestyle can help prevent yeast infections. Staying hydrated, eating a balanced diet, and wearing breathable clothing can all contribute to a healthy vaginal environment. Practicing good hygiene, such as wiping from front to back and avoiding douches or scented products, can also reduce the risk of infection. By taking these steps, you can help keep your body in balance and reduce the likelihood of future yeast infections.
Vaginal yeast infections have a few common symptoms. You may experience itching and burning around your vagina. You may also notice a thick white discharge. This discharge is often described as looking like cottage cheese. Some women also experience pain during sex. Others may have pain or burning when they pee. If you experience any of these symptoms, it's important to talk to your doctor. It's important to note that these symptoms can also be signs of other conditions. So it's best to get a proper diagnosis from a healthcare professional. Self-treating can sometimes make things worse.
Yeast infections happen when the natural balance in your vagina is disrupted. This can happen for a few reasons. Taking antibiotics is a common culprit. Antibiotics kill off bad bacteria, but they can also kill off good bacteria. This can allow yeast to grow out of control. Hormonal changes can also cause yeast infections. Pregnancy, menstruation, and menopause can all affect the balance of your vaginal flora. Wearing tight-fitting clothing, especially non-cotton underwear, can also trap moisture and create an environment where yeast thrives.
If you think you might have a yeast infection, see your doctor. They can diagnose the infection and recommend the best treatment. Antifungal creams and ointments are common treatments. These medications are available over the counter and by prescription. They usually clear up the infection within a few days to a week. Your doctor may also prescribe an oral antifungal medication. These medications are just as effective as creams, but are taken by mouth. It's important to follow your doctor's instructions carefully and complete the full course of treatment.
While medical treatments are usually the most effective, some home remedies can help relieve symptoms. One popular remedy is plain yogurt. Yogurt contains live cultures of good bacteria, which can help restore the balance in your vagina. You can apply plain, unsweetened yogurt directly to the affected area. Another option is boric acid. Boric acid capsules can be inserted vaginally to help kill the yeast. However, it's important to talk to your doctor before trying boric acid, especially if you are pregnant. Remember that home remedies may not work for everyone. If your symptoms persist or worsen, consult your doctor.
Section 6. Preventing future infections. Preventing yeast infections involves maintaining good hygiene and making healthy lifestyle choices. Wear breathable cotton underwear and avoid tight-fitting pants. Change out of wet swimsuits or workout clothes promptly. Avoid douching, as it disrupts the natural balance of bacteria in your vagina. Practice safe sex and use condoms to reduce the risk of infection. If you're prone to yeast infections, talk to your doctor about preventative measures. They may recommend using over-the-counter antifungal creams or taking probiotics to maintain a healthy balance of bacteria.
Section 7. When to consult a doctor. While most yeast infections can be managed with over-the-counter treatments, there are times when you should see a doctor. Over-the-counter treatments are convenient and often effective, but they are not always the best solution for everyone. If you're experiencing symptoms for the first time, it's essential to get a proper diagnosis. This is crucial because the symptoms of a yeast infection can be similar to other conditions, such as bacterial vaginosis or sexually transmitted infections, which require different treatments. This will ensure you're treating the right condition. Misdiagnosis can lead to ineffective treatment and prolonged discomfort. If your symptoms are severe or don't improve with over-the-counter treatments, see your doctor. Severe symptoms can include intense itching, swelling, and redness, which can significantly impact your daily life. They can determine if a stronger medication is needed or if there's another underlying condition. Sometimes, what appears to be a yeast infection could be a sign of a more serious health issue, such as diabetes or a weakened immune system. You should also consult your doctor if you experience recurrent yeast infections, especially if you have more than 4 infections per year. Recurrent infections can be a sign that something else is going on in your body that needs medical attention. This could indicate an underlying health issue that needs to be addressed. Conditions such as hormonal imbalances, chronic stress, or even certain medications can contribute to frequent yeast infections. Your doctor can help identify these factors and recommend appropriate treatments or lifestyle changes to reduce the frequency of infections. In summary, while over-the-counter treatments are a good first step, consulting a doctor ensures you receive the correct diagnosis and treatment plan. This is especially important for first-time symptoms, severe cases, or recurrent infections. Your health and well-being are paramount, and professional medical advice can provide the guidance you need to manage and overcome yeast infections effectively. Don't hesitate to reach out to your healthcare provider when in doubt. Taking proactive steps can lead to better health outcomes and peace of mind.
Section 8. Maintaining vaginal health. Ensuring the health of your vaginal area is an essential aspect of overall well-being and can significantly impact your quality of life. Maintaining good vaginal health is crucial for preventing yeast infections, bacterial vaginosis, and other common vaginal issues. Regular checkups with your healthcare provider can help catch any potential problems early. Wash your genital area daily with mild, unscented soap and water. It's important to be gentle and avoid scrubbing too hard as the skin in this area is sensitive. Avoid using harsh soaps, feminine hygiene products, or douches. These products can contain chemicals and fragrances that may irritate the delicate skin of your vaginal area. These products can disrupt the natural pH balance of your vagina, making it more susceptible to infections. The vagina has a natural self-cleaning mechanism, and using unnecessary products can interfere with this process. Wipe from front to back after using the toilet to prevent the spread of bacteria from your anus to your vagina. This simple practice can significantly reduce the risk of urinary tract infections and other bacterial infections. Choose breathable cotton underwear and avoid wearing tight-fitting clothing for extended periods. Cotton allows for better air circulation, which helps keep the area dry and reduces the risk of infections. These practices can help keep your vaginal area clean, dry, and less prone to infections. Remember, maintaining vaginal health is not just about hygiene, but also about making informed choices and seeking medical advice when necessary. By following these guidelines, you can ensure that your vaginal health remains in optimal condition, contributing to your overall well-being and comfort.
Section 9. Finding comfort and confidence. Vaginal yeast infections are a common and treatable condition. Understanding the causes, symptoms, and treatment options can empower you to take control of your vaginal health. Remember to practice good hygiene, make healthy lifestyle choices, and seek medical advice when needed. Don't hesitate to talk to your doctor if you have any concerns about your vaginal health. By staying informed and proactive, you can find comfort, confidence, and maintain optimal vaginal well-being.